going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. This is going to be changing out the high speed cartridge for the Magnuson 2650. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, so that way we can run, when I go ahead and get ready to run a smaller pulley, I can do that without having to worry about any problems with this one, with the stock one. So yeah, so the Magnuson high speed cartridge is supposed to just be a better upgrade for the blower if you're going to be spinning it fast. Old, new, has a bearing in it. It's supposed to be safer and allows you to spin it, and it's also longer here too, so you can see. Yeah, says this is a good insurance mod for you, so make sure you don't tear your blower up anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one. I'm gonna show you something. If you can see in there, so if you can see there, You see those are the there's three of those little guys. You want to make sure you get that lined up, and it goes kind of tail. See, it's all the way seated. You give it a hard push once you get it lined up, and then it should be flush here too. So it should be flush there. And all you do is you just spin this to line your holes up. So then once you get your holes lined up, you just go ahead and put your bolts back in there. I would recommend putting some blue Loctite. I would not put red. You put red, you're gonna never get it back off. So I guess if you don't want to ever get it, if you don't ever want to take it off, yeah, you can go ahead and use some red Loctite. But yeah, I'm gonna use just a little slight bit of Loctite. I'm trying to get blue Loctite. I'm just gonna put a 8mm bolt, so it's not. High speed cartridge is installed. Go ahead and test off.